about something about you and your company.
Okay, so hello. Yes, my name is Jay Roy Kumar, and I have extensive expertise in real estate. I am a real estate licensed real estate broker with Remax Brokermint. Our organization specializing in technology solution, basically CRM technology solution, and deals with many part of the transaction management, accounting, reporting, and analytics of the real estate domain.
Okay. For what projects or services did your company hire Delipat?
Well, we actually initially in California we wanted to have a CRM platform provider that can help us through the sales pipeline, lead management, as well as project management. So we have heard that Salesforce is the one of the best possible option out there, CRM option for real estate. And we actually were looking for the trustworthy Salesforce implementation partner in India. But after lots of the searching and going through, we found that decided to look at the services that provided by the Delipat. So after having multiple consultation calls, we have decided to partnering Delipat IT for our own Salesforce CRM implementation project.
Okay. Now, please, sir, describe the project in detail and walk through the stages of the project.
Well, this is very interesting. The project was about the implementation of Salesforce for the real estate industry. So the platform that we actually initiated with Deliped will help companies streamline their lead assessment and project management process, and also give them a complete 360-degree view of customers, which is compared to the 3D view. Initially, we had numerous calls where we worked out need and scope management, working with the milestones and different SLS, planning out the resources, like how many developers will work on this particular project and for how many hours, etc. Then Delipet Salesforce developer created the documentation very professionally and started working on the customization and implementation for the whole project. And after the initial development, the project has gone through numerous testing phases, such as unit testing, user acceptance testing, UAT, to ensure that all the bugs are completely and successfully fixed, and then the project will be deployed accordingly and within timely manner, and they did it.
So, sir, our next question is how many resources from the vendors team worked with you and what were their positions?
Okay. So initially we asked for 12 members team, but then Delipet comes out that the eight wonderful members of the team, I would say, worked with us, which included a business analyst, two solution and system architects, three soft Salesforce developer, developer engineer, and two testers. These wonderful people guided through every stages of the project implementation journey and were available to help us through the entire time frame of the project. And they are very, very timely manner and professional.
Beautiful, sir. Do you recommend Delipat to the brands looking out for a Salesforce implementation service and why?
Absolutely. Why I say so? Yes, I would definitely recommend, based on our wonderful experience with Delipet IT, we absolutely recommend Delipet to the brands, other brands that are looking for Salesforce implementation partner. I think that Salesforce is one of the futuristic technologies in the CRM. There is no doubt about it. And the brands must choose it to become a leader in the competitive market. So the experience that we have with Deliped, that is wonderful and in timely manner.
Our last question is what did you find most impressive about them?
Well, as I said before, we had actually deal with most wonderful people here. Initially, there were some hurdles during the initial stages of the project, but we were moved first and then solved it. One thing that I really like about the developers is their eagerness to learn and implement new process. There were some features or specification problem and issues, but they reached, they researched about it and then they implemented it accordingly. They found the solution on timely manner. Overall, I would say that working with Delipat ID was an eye-opening experience for us. And our company never thought that we would pair up with a company whose employees are so dedicated to deliver the project on time, and if possible even before that, and it that happens. Even today they are ready to help us out if we have some questions about the platform or any other issues in the overall CRM process in the real estate. We are happy with how things have turned out and would definitely recommend to the company to others. I would like to add the work ethics of the developers team and the tester teams, as well as timely manner, because our initial project was actually contracted for 6 months and we have done that before the 2 weeks prior to our deadline, and we are very happy about that.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.